Hey, food lovers! Today I'm diving into the ultimate comfort dish, chicken and dumplings. This hearty meal has been warming hearts and bellies for generations, and I'm here to walk you through every delicious step. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, the chicken. We'll need some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs because that's where all the flavor lives. Just season them with a little salt and pepper, and then we'll brown them off in a hot pot until they're golden and crispy. It's not just about cooking here. It's about building layers of flavor right from the start. Now, while our chicken is setting aside, let's talk veggies. We're going classic with onions, carrots, and celery. Give them a chop and toss them into the same pot. This is where things start smelling really good. Those veggies will soak up all the delicious chicken flavors left in the pot. Let's add some garlic for a kick, then pour in chicken broth to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those tasty bits. Now, return the chicken to the pot, bring everything to a boil, then let it simmer. This simmering is crucial. It's what makes the chicken tender and the broth rich and hearty. All right, while our chicken simmers, let's talk dumplings. And no, we're not using the store-bought kind. We're making them from scratch because homemade is always better. Just mix flour, baking powder, and salt, then add in some butter and milk to form a dough. Roll small balls of dough and drop them into the simmering broth. These dumplings are going to soak up all that savory broth and get wonderfully plump and tender. Finally, after about 20 minutes, our dumplings are cooked and it's time to pull the chicken out, shred it, and get it back into the pot. A quick stir, a sprinkle of fresh parsley, and voila! Chicken and dumplings done right. This dish is not just food, it's comfort in a bowl, perfect for any day when you need a little warmth and a lot of flavor. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our delicious adventures. Until next time, keep those pots simmering and your hearts warm.